What's up guys, today we have Samsung A02S screen replacement. The customer bring the device because the device is not responding anymore. The touch screen has stopped. Remove the SIM card slot, then you can detach the frame from the housing. You can use your nails or you can use any plastic tools. We don't have fingerprint flex cable at the back, so there is no cautions needed. This model device is easy to be opened. As you can see, we have opened it already. We have some screws to remove. After that, remove the plastic shield. You can unplug the battery, then you can unplug screen flex cable. Now we are going to remove the loudspeaker. This model of screen have 3 connectors. There's 2 to the main board and 1 to the subboard. These all together to the same LCD. You can unplug this connector. Now we are going to continue to remove the LCD. You can heat the LCD with 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds. As you can see, it's broken, so there is no need to, maybe we can raise the heat because it's already broken. We are not doing a maintenance for something under the screen, and we need the screen to be still respond. So you can do whatever you want, but be cautious with your hands and with your eyes. You can put goggles to protect your eyes. This is very important, and gloves. This screen doesn't seems to be opened easily. I had to use a knife to push the screen somehow so I can put inside a plastic tool, and then I was able to slide all over the screen and it was successfully removed. We still got some glasses in the border. You have to clean all over the border from any piece of glasses left on that frame. We also have the ear speaker protection shield in there on the old screen. We have to take it and we are going to clean it, and then we will put it on there. As you can see, we still have some glass on the old one. We may be ended with a tiny piece of glass. Also, you have to remove it, because if you left any glasses and then when you install the new LCD, you can broke the new LCD. So I need you to do the perfect cleaning all over the frame and remove all the adhesive, because we are going to put a new adhesive. The perfect clean makes the screen fits perfectly in position and make the job perfectly done. Now we are going to put the ear speaker shield on position. Now you can bring the new screen. You can put the new screen in position before putting the adhesive and test the screen to make sure it's working without any problem, and then you can do the assemble. Sometimes we may end it with a bad screen or with a broke screen, so there is no problem to test the screen before the assemble. You have to plug the three connectors, one to the sub and two to the main board. Let's power on the device. I didn't get the passcode for the customer, so I'm going to test the emergency calls buttons to make sure the screen is working, and that's it. the brightness, everything seems perfect. The screen is touching, so that's it. Now I'm going to assemble. Bring your adhesive and put all over the frame. You can put a tiny bit of the adhesive, no need to put too much amount of it, and that's it. Be careful where to put, near the speaker or the sensors or the camera. We don't put on these locations because we may block the way of these connections. Remove the blue sticker. Push the flex cable on position. Alright, now we will assemble it down. Now let's assemble all the pieces back as it was: the antenna, the main board, the subboard, the flex cable to the main board, and that's it. This is the loudspeaker. That was everything for this video. If you have any questions, you can just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.